How to buy shares on DEGIRO. Follow my instructions. If you're from the UK or USA and want to invest using DEGIRO, buying shares is simple and beginner-friendly. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the DEGIRO app and log into your account. Make sure your account is verified and funded. To deposit money, tap the menu and select Deposit Funds. Choose your bank and complete the transfer process. Once the money appears in your DEGIRO balance, tap the search icon at the bottom of the app. Now type the company name or stock symbol you want. For example, Apple or AAPL if you want to buy Apple shares. Tap on the correct stock in the search results. You'll now see the stock page with price, chart, and info. Tap the buy button below the chart. Enter the number of shares you want to buy. Choose your order type. Market means buy instantly. Limit lets you set a price you're willing to pay. Once done, tap Confirm to place your order. Your open orders can be found in the Orders tab. Once filled, your shares will appear in Portfolio. That's how you buy shares on DEGIRO in 2025. Thanks for watching.